What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and today we're going to be checking out the Neakasa M1 open-top self-cleaning cat litter box. It's one of the latest automatic litter boxes to drop that completely eliminates the need to scoop a litter box and clean up after your cat. If you watch the wide variety of videos that I do here on my channel, I've used quite a few automatic litter boxes over the years. My little Munch loves them, and she's an expert product tester at this point, so now she's back at it trying the M1 for us. The M1 features a sleek open-top design, a large bin that can store up to 14 days of waste, infrared and weight sensors to help keep your cat safe and healthy, easy disassembly for deep cleaning, remote monitoring with the Neakasa app, and much more. It's packed with features that will simplify your life and make it more convenient. Plus, it is not a bad looking machine by any means, so it'll look pretty decent in any space that it goes in. When the M1 arrives, it's going to show up in a fairly large box that weighs about 30 or so pounds. Inside it, you'll find a black litter mat, support legs for the bottom, a user manual, a power cable, the litter box itself, and 2 rolls of liner bags. The M1 is mostly made of plastic, but it feels solid and well built. For a litter box like this, it's surprisingly not too heavy. The only setup that needs to be done is adding the support legs to the bottom, which takes all of about a minute. At first, I was like, where's the draw? But to my surprise, the tray was the draw. It's made of rubber, so all it does is pop right out. Just add a liner bag to it, find a spot for the litter box, plug it in, add some clumping litter, and then starts the fun of getting your cat familiar with it. My little Munch is super curious by every little thing, so she took right to it, even more so when it started spinning. This is far from her first rodeo with automatic litter boxes, so she adjusted to the M1 pretty quickly. For first timers, it's going to require more time and effort. Some tips that I have would be to put some litter from your cat's other litter box into the M1, put their favorite toys around it, and put it in a space where they hang out most. Eventually, they'll get curious by it, hop in it, and give it a try. The M1 will work like this right out of the box with no Wi-Fi needed. It has button controls for everything that you need, but if you want to control it from anywhere or change the settings, you'll need to download the Neakasa app. When you get it, create an account and connect the litter box to your Wi-Fi network. After that, you'll be able to remotely control the litter box and monitor its activity. You can also change settings, add cleaning reminders, track its use, and even manually clean and level the litter. The Neakasa app is simple, easy to use, and it works. Munch and I already spent about 2 weeks with this litter box, and it has been awesome so far. I can't speak for her, but aside from the modular design, the thing that I personally like the most about this litter box as a cat dad are the handy markings inside that show how full the bin is. These are super handy, so you always know how much litter is available and how much more you need to put in. I'm using the BoxyCat Pro clay clumping litter, but any type of clumping litter is going to work perfectly in here. The M1 also does a great job at controlling odor. The only time that I've ever gotten a whiff of it was after it was used or when it was being disassembled and deep cleaned. Luckily, you're not going to have to worry much about smelling it since the litter box does a great job at starting the cleaning process shortly after it's used. That's one of the many settings that you're able to change in the app. The M1 also isn't loud at all when it's cleaning. Here's a quick noise test. When it comes time to change the liner bag, the process is so simple. The tray uses bags that have drawstrings on them and allows you to pull that string to close and remove the bag without touching it. Replacing the bag is just as easy. Line the tray and attach the drawstring to the hook, so it's just as simple to replace next time. The only downside that I found are that these are proprietary bags, so they may be difficult to replace when they run out. I'm sure similar bags with a drawstring are going to work just fine, but I haven't tried any of them. The good news is that you don't have to replace the bag very often, especially if you only have one cat. I just replaced my first bag 12 days in. When it comes time to deep clean, it is incredibly easy to remove the globe to clean that and totally replace all of the litter. Both plastic sides around the globe slide right off, so the globe comes right out to dump it. Even when you do that, the base is sealed, so you're not going to smell any odor. The modular design is one of my favorite things about the M1. I was very surprised by how easy it is to take apart and how simple the entire deep cleaning process is. To start closing this out, Munch and I found the Neakasa M1 to be a fantastic automatic litter box that's going to be great for both cats and humans. It would make for an excellent addition to any cat family's home. It certainly is not a cheap litter box, but it completely eliminates the need to scoop, which in and of itself is huge. When you weigh the convenience that it offers, the amount of time that you save from cleaning up after your cat, plus the security and the peace of mind that it offers, the benefits outweigh everything else. I never once felt concerned about leaving Munch alone with it. If it's cleaning, it's going to stop stop when she goes near it. I also really like the unique open top design. It's spacious and safe to use. You don't see very many automatic litter boxes like this. If you are looking at getting an automatic litter box for your home, the Neakasa M1 is going to simplify your life and make both you and your little furry friend happy campers. So that's about all that I got, my friends. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, you know the drill. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It greatly helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow Raymond Strazdas on X, Instagram, and TikTok for so much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!